Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Google as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this could represent a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the bottom trend line at $170.22, it would signal a strong sell recommendation, indicating a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the recent 3-month trend reveals a likely change of approximately 0.386% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 0.778% to 21.2%. In terms of a longer-term perspective, our analysis over 12 months predicts a change of 20.03%. Based on our projections, the stock's performance could vary between 15.75% and 46.42% in the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $199.34 and $252.16. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The Google stock price rose by 1.18% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of February, 2025. It increased from $170.21 to $172.22. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.44%, with a low of $168.39 and a high of $172.50. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 8 of those days, resulting in an overall drop of 8.34%. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price on that day, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 30 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $5.17 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $208.70, while the lowest was $131.55. Currently, the stock price sits at 17.48% or $36.48, below the 52-week high. It is also 93.18% or $2,354.77 below the all-time high recorded on June 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. In a significant shift, Google has announced plans to exit Seattle's Fremont neighborhood, consolidating its operations in South Lake Union. This move could streamline operations, but may also signal a reallocation of resources, influencing investor sentiment in the short term as the market assesses the impact on productivity and costs. Moreover, the company is navigating the quantum computing landscape, a sector poised for explosive growth, akin to that seen with artificial intelligence. Recent discussions highlight how this emerging technology represents a once-in-a-lifetime market opportunity, with potential long-term benefits for Google as they invest in this space. However, Google also faces challenges, including recent layoffs in its human resources and cloud divisions as part of ongoing cost-cutting measures. While aimed at reallocating resources to critical areas, these job cuts could initially raise concerns about company morale and operational efficiency. In contrast, the doubling of robotaxi rides through its Waymo subsidiary signals strong growth in its autonomous driving initiative, suggesting strategic avenues for revenue enhancement. Lastly, The House Judiciary Committee's recent subpoenas over allegations of foreign censorship pose regulatory risks, potentially impacting Google's public image and future operational frameworks. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy grade to GOOG, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated GOOG as overweight, also issuing a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Needham gave GOOG a buy rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Wednesday, Bank of America Securities provided GOOG with a buy rating and a hold action. Finally, on the 5th of February 2025, Goldman Sachs also rated GOOG as buy, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also falls under strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.18%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is seen as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near short-term development. The Google stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $177.71 and $191.27. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $170.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.11 between its high and low points, which is a change of 2.44%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.73%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in businesses with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.04. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $192.96. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $170.49. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 17th of June, 2024, when Chavez R. Martin executed an insider buy of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $161.76, representing a decline of 6.07%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The low relative strength index, recorded at 24, helps to mitigate some of that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to view it as a hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. We have revised our analysis for this stock, upgrading our conclusion from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of March, we anticipate Google will open lower by $1.18, starting at $171.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.